Thanks for clicking this video, and here is Tech. So let's take the quick update coming in about the free call offer tomorrow. That is on 6th March. So 6th March 2023. Tomorrow you're going to make calls for free from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. So if you start to make call from 5 a.m. you pay for the call, but from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. you're going to make calls for free. So after that, we don't know what happens. You will start to get into your normal call track system whereby you pay for the calls that you make. So which network is really doing this offer? Tigo is the network that is giving this offer to their customers. So if you use Tigo, tomorrow you're going to make calls for free from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Yes, so from 7 you're going to pay for the call. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give us a like. If you're old, you know what you should do or as well. Okay, like, subscribe, and then don't forget to share this video as well for Tigo users to get to know this, that on Independence Day in Ghana, you're going to make calls for free from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. There's the updates coming in from this side. Check on the screen and learn more from us, and I will see you again. Bye.